Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Most of you must have heard about this. This is the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This has been such a well-used product. I feel like every woman has this in their kit. The earliest memory I have is of my mum using this. Like, I always saw it on a nightstand all the time, and I was young at the time and I did not know why she would use this, but now I have grown up to use this product as well. So I'm going to be talking to you about the benefits and how you can use this product and where you can use it and how it helps improve your skin over time. Over the past few years, skincare has been really important to me, especially before makeup and before going to bed. Like, my nighttime routine is something I never skip. Like, I can come home at 4 a.m, 5 a.m, and it's still nighttime routine for me. So I get my makeup off and I do all the steps that I need for my skin to look the way it's looking today. I'm 25 years old, but most of you might be like, well, you're still young, that's why your skin looks like that. A lot of people my age have a lot of skin issues, guys, and I have been sticking to my skincare regime for a while now. No matter what product I use, I do add a touch of ANR at the end of the night because it does give like a very hydrated sort of feeling before going to bed, and I love feeling like a greasy turkey before going to bed. I'm that girl who will just slather skincare product before going to bed because I'm a dry skin type and I just want something to work on my skin while I'm asleep. There are a lot of things that I did not know about the Advanced Night Repair, which I will share with you right now. So this was the first serum ever created. Like, ever created. I was blown away when I heard this because I never knew that. Also, this is the first skincare product to use hyaluronic acid in its ingredient. Now, hyaluronic acid, as you know, is super hydrating on the skin. It helps with the hydration in your skin. So it says skin renewal is at its peak between 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. So that's when your skin really is working. For some of you that have not tried this product out yet, now they've come out with a 20 ml bottle. So there's a 30 ml and a 50 ml bottle, but there is a very limited time offer when there's a 20 ml bottle coming out, and I will leave all the prices and everything down below. So if you want to try the ANR, now is your time because it is a smaller bottle and it is much more affordable than the other two bottles because they're in a big jar. So let's quickly begin with the foundation routine. I have the Estée Lauder ANR right here, and I'm just going to show you how you can use the ANR, you know, just different sorts of ways you can apply this on your face. So before your makeup, to prep your skin, you can mix it in with the foundation as well. You can apply it on top of your foundation and also before going to bed. So there are many ways you can apply the ANR. I'm just going to show you how I do it. I apply this to my eye area and make sure I am just lightly putting it underneath and massaging it so it gets that hydration that it needs. Down the neck as well, you want to make sure you're not forgetting your neck because you can tell how old you are by looking at your neck. That's, I read somewhere, and I definitely don't want that to age really quick, so I'm just gonna hydrate it. You know, this product sort of boosts a lot of hydration, so just at least putting something that hydrates your neck is very important. I forget it too, that happens, but don't forget to sort of bring the serum all the way down as well. I'm going to put on some makeup now, super light, very everyday sort of makeup. I'm gonna take the Smashbox foundation and I'm just going to put one pump on my hand. So all you need is half a drop of ANR in your foundation. That's if you're really dry, but having a layer underneath also really helps with skincare during the day. So I'm just gonna put on a light face of makeup. I'm just gonna fast forward the entire process.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint
have for you guys. This is the final result. I really love how youthful my skin is looking. It's looking fresh and healthy. You can see, I can tell from the viewfinder. Using a hydrating product before going to bed, guys, is so important. Like, you won't realize it now, but eventually, like over time, when the ANR sort of works on your skin, you will get to know that, you know, it's doing something. Now, this is not a product that you can tell a difference in one day with. You know, it's not that instant thing. It's an overtime repair that it does for your skin while you are sleeping. So definitely, I do not skip out on this no matter what. Like, I definitely include this at the end before going to bed. So I really love how this look turned out. I'm ready for the day. I love you so much. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.